Hello believers, in today's video we're going to be talking about the B-Network XP blank page issue. Before now I have talked about how to farm the B-Network XP because this could affect your B-Network allocation. Alright, this could improve your B-Network allocation and could also affect it, right? So it's important that you engage in this because it's very important, right? Like I said, this could increase your B-Network allocation. So where do you see the XP for those of us that have no idea of how this works? Of course, you come over to the Explore section right here, which is like the browser section of the B Network app. Now, once you come over to the Explore section right now, what you're meant to do is to click on this very search bar right here, right? And fix in the invite link you'll be seeing in the description of this very video, right? You see an invite link that says B Network SP invite link, right? Or BSP invite link. Just copy that link. That's my invite link. And if you use the invite link, you would actually be joining my team, right? So once you fix in the invite link right here and click on search, this is going to lead you to the B site, right? But I'm just going to be using b.com for the purpose of this very video because I already have an account. For some of us who are already doing this, we might be experiencing an issue, or you might be experiencing an issue. That's why you're watching this very video, right? And this very issue is about the blank page, right? And if you haven't experienced the issue yet, just bear in mind that you might also experience the issue. Now, it doesn't even matter if you clear the cache of your mobile device or update the app, this issue can still persist, right? The very first way to solve this very issue is to come over to your app section right now and hold on to your B Network app, then click on app info. This is similar with every Android device, right? You can also do this on your Apple device. Then come to the storage and cache, and then you click on clear cache right here, and this would be cleared, right? So for some people, once they do this would automatically be resolved when they click on refresh, right? But for most, it doesn't work that way. So what is another way you can actually solve this very issue? Now, this is what I'm going to be revealing to you right away. So just head over to your browser right now, whichever browser of your choice, right? And once you head over to your browser, go to the b.com site, right? But if you're doing this for the first time, you can use my invite link. It's still the same thing. It will still lead you to the b.com site, right? So I'm just going to type b.com, right? And this is going to lead us to the B Network site. Now you can see this is just a security measure. Just go ahead and click on advanced right here, and then you click on this very one right here that says proceed, right? Now if you're using my invite link, you should be doing this inside your B Network app, but if it shows a blank page, of course you would want to do this in your browser. Now I'm just showing you this with Chrome because a lot of us have Chrome browser. I mean, almost every Android out there, but Chrome is very security conscious, right? I'm going to be showing you the best browser to use for this. But for the moment, let me use Chrome, right? So you understand what I'm actually talking about. Now, if you use Chrome, let me see you're experiencing this blank page issue and you click on this very check-in, it's not going to work, right? If you also click on this very profile section, it would not work, right? So you have to come over to this very wallet section to connect your account, right? Now click on this wallet section, and this is going to bring you to this very recharge coin section. You are not actually recharging any coin, you're not actually buying any coin or whatever. So just come over to log in right now. Now this is how you actually log in. This is going to load up, and this is going to link you to your B Network app. So you can see right here it says B Network one-click login. Now to make this faster, make sure that your B Network app is open, right? Now head back right now and then click on this very one that says B Network one-click login, right? And this is going to lead you to the B Network app right now. And you can see this is my username, my name and my username. I'm going to click on authorize right now, right? And I am automatically logged in here. But the thing is, you won't be able to access your account. You won't be able to access your account because this is Chrome, and Chrome is mostly connected to the B Network app. That's the in-app browser of B Network because it's usually the default browser of everything you do in your Android device until you change it, right? So if your Chrome is having issue logging into this very site because of security issues, the best browser to use, the best browser I personally use and it worked for me, is the Opera Mini browser, right? This is it right here, and it worked for me, right? The same way I logged in right now, you can also log in like that, or you can just come into the check-in section right here and then log in, right? So if I click on check-in right now, this is the B Network SP, right? You can see I'm not doing this in my browser instead of the B Network app, and this is connected, right? You don't have to worry about this. This is actually connected. Once you're sure that you've authorized this, in your mobile device. This is connected and you will be farming the B Network XP daily. As you can see, I wasn't able to do this because of this very issue. I missed a lot of days. That's why I'm still at 257k, right? So this is basically how you do it. It's not rocket science. It's really simple, and doing this means bigger allocation, right? Taking this serious also means bigger allocation. So this is basically the information I want to pass to you guys today. So you can just disregard Chrome, download the Opera mini browser and get this done, because the SP matters. Another thing you also need to do to increase your points, for those of us that do not know, is to click on this very boost right here. You can tap to boost. Tap to boost literally means when you tap this, you watch an ad and you get some points right here. I think it's 0.1p, and it increases your mining rates, right? So you can watch even up to 14 ads. There was a time I did it up to 14 times, right? It just depends on how much time you have, right? So this is basically it for this very video. I hope you now understand how to solve this very issue. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you got value from this very video, then leave a like, and if this is the first time stopping by, then make sure you subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Join B Network right now if you haven't. Link is in the description. This is not a project you want to play with. If you're already mining B Network, take this serious, because again, it is not a project you want to play with, right? B Network is going to change lives, I believe. This is it for this very video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.